Hello, hi guys, welcome back to another video of clock design, which I am making in my smartphone in decoder simulator. And let us start the second episode. And in first episode I just linked my page to CSS and Java page, my program to CSS and Java, and now I'm starting the program. And first I will complete my CSS style, and before starting it I have to put a star mark. And now let's start the CSS. First of all, you have to point out the axis at the center, where that margins from 0, 0 at the center. And okay, let's start it. Merge from margin at 0, 0, at 0, and semicolon. And semicolon. And next padding, and padding to okay, let's start here 0 and semicolon. And next font family, I mean font is goes to font family, as I will give sans font. My phone's original font is sans font, that's why I will give sans font. And serif. And next font size I'm going to give it as 14 pixels. 14 pixels, and it okay, the first one is completed. And the second, now I'm doing the CSS style to the first title. The title as an analog clock, clock is with the width is going to be 14 pixels, 140 pixels, I'm sorry. And next height is going to be same, because the clock was round now, that's why the height and width are same. And extend it. And next, this as a this program is I mean these lines are not important, these are commentary lines, but I'm giving the clock face. I'm giving the commentary to the clock face, clock's face. And clock's face as black, I mean color of the strokes or hands. Strokes are black. And the next, and the width of the stroke or hands, stroke width as 2 pixels. I forgot to end it. And next, fill with white color. The empty space I have to fill with white color. White color and end it. And the geometry to the face clock is completed. And next, I'm starting the geometry for the all hands. I mean H hand, M hand, S hand, and S title or tail. Means H hand is goes to hours, M hand is goes to minutes, and second hand is goes to seconds, and S tail that means the speed of the speed or movement of the second hand. Okay, let us start it for H hand. And as next M hand, and next S hand, next finally S tail. Tail is going to be why I have written the why I have written the command as tail means the ending part of the hand, no, that's why I'm giving it as tail, means the end. And now I'm giving the strokes as black, stroke as black color, and next stroke line cap, the shape of the stroke, line cap, is going to be round. And next the CSS is maximum completed, and let us go to the HTML. And in this HTML, this is the very important and critical part of the entire program. And let us start it. The line on the line ID of S style, in CSS we have given the S style, no, that S style, the position of the S style, and on the x1, x-axis, x-axis as 70 is pretty, 70 is good. Okay, I just give it 70. And next y1, y-axis as 70, because the circle, no, it has to be same in all directions, that's why I'm giving the same coding in all. Now second x-axis, negative x-axis is going to be same 70, and next on second y-axis is going to be same 70, and the pointing is completed. And next I'm going to the text. Before going it, I have to close this line, end the line. And going to the text, I mean font, I have to indicate at here 12, at here 6, at here 3, and at here 9 now. The minimum locations of a clock is 12, 6, 9, and 3. So now I'm giving that indications as text on x-axis of 63 at 63 degrees. I mean on the on line 63 at x1 63, and next on y is going to be 70. Yeah, 18 is enough because at this side now. Okay, 18 is enough. And next you have to give the text what we want to add at the position 12, and now and the text okay. And next like that we have to give all the remaining texts 3, 6, 9 at the same as text on x-axis on x is at 126 mark, in y-axis of 76 mark, and going to be the indication is 3, and the text and next 6 number letter 6 here. Okay, let's start. Oh gosh. Text on x-axis 66 degrees or 66 position, on x-axis 66 position, on y-axis 130 degrees position or coordinates. Okay, and text is 6, and the text we didn't leave the necessary spaces or necessary tabs at anywhere, because they will play a major role in all the program, in entire program. So that's why you didn't leave any tabs or text unevenly or unusually. And on x-axis it's going to be 7, and on y on y is going to be 76. Okay, close this command, close this line, and the text is going to be 9, number 9, and end it. And this text okay, the indications are completed. So and this text as /svg because they are these are lines on the axis now. That's why we are giving the command svg and end it. And now I'm giving the small paragraph at here. The clock will be at here, and the text will be at here, the time and minutes. So div a small paragraph, class is going to be time text, class is going to be time text, and it, and next span. For this you have to give a tab or a space tab and span. Span ID is going to be Hawasan HR, and it at starts from 0, 0, I mean 0, 0, and end it, end the span. Okay, now again give a tab, and like that same for all the other minutes, seconds, and all the indications. Okay, yeah, span, yes, semicolon, and end that text and that line, span, and end it. And now for minutes, ID minutes, ID is going to be minute, MIN, and end it. And now it starts from same 0, 0, 0, and end that span. And again a tab, and again semicolons, span, end it, semicolon, and end that span. Okay, and next the span going to be for seconds, so span for second, ID is going to be second, sec, and end it starting from 0, 0, and end the span. Okay, and finally the suff of, or the suffix of the span is going to be slashes. The span, ID, span ID, suffix, span suffix, and end it, and slashes, I mean space, or I just indicate is it has hyphens, and end span. Okay, now end the divs, div, and again one more time, okay, slash div, and okay, the HTML coding is completed, and let us check it is running or not. Yeah, here I have given now 12, 3, 6, 9, and 0, 0, 0. In the next class, I will teach you how to give the round circle means the clock circle in JavaScript. And okay guys, if you have any
come on after school straight study. Very good, very good.
just close it. Yeah, in next class I will teach you the JavaScript coding at here. In this class I teach you the CSS coding. In next class I will teach you the JavaScript coding. And okay, if you have any doubts, comment in the commentary section. And okay guys, see you in next video.